JEE Main 2026, Question 1. Let alpha, alpha plus 2, alpha belongs to integers, be the roots of the quadratic equation x times x plus 2, plus x plus 1 times x plus 3, plus x plus 2 times x plus 4, and so on up to x plus n minus 1 times x plus n plus 1 equals 4n, for some n in natural numbers. Then n plus alpha is equal to. Each term in the sum has the form x plus k times x plus k plus 2, which equals x plus k squared minus 1, using the identity a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. So each term is x plus k plus 1 squared minus 1. The sum from k equals 0 to n minus 1 of x plus k plus 1 squared minus 1 equals 4n. This gives the sum of x plus 1 squared plus x plus 2 squared up to x plus n squared minus n equals 4n. So the sum of x plus 1 squared through x plus n squared equals 5n. Expanding, we get nx squared plus 2x times the sum of 1 to n, plus the sum of k squared from 1 to n, equals 5n, that is nx squared plus n times n plus 1 times x plus n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 equals 5n, dividing by n, x squared plus n plus 1 times x plus n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 minus 5 equals 0. The roots are alpha and alpha plus 2. By Vieta's formulas, sum of roots equals alpha plus 2 equals negative n plus 1. So 2 alpha plus 2 equals negative n minus 1, giving alpha equals negative n plus 3 over 2. Product of roots equals alpha times alpha plus 2 equals n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 minus 5. For alpha to be an integer, n plus 3 must be even, so n must be odd. Using the product of roots, alpha times alpha plus 2 equals n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 minus 5. Substituting alpha equals negative n plus 3 over 2, we get negative n plus 3 over 2 times negative n minus 1 over 2. After solving, n equals 3 and alpha equals negative 3. So n plus alpha equals 3 plus negative 3 equals 0. The correct answer is 0. G-tip. When you see a sum of products like a minus 1 times a plus 1, always think of the difference of squares identity. This converts the sum into a simpler form involving squares. Also, Vieta's formulas are essential for relating roots to coefficients. Like and subscribe for more JEE Main solutions at MAGPIEHUB.